9Solutions Nurse Call Lite is a plug-and-play nurse call system with voice connection designed for the hospital's acute and temporary needs. It enables quick response to the patient's needs, and deploying the system only takes a few minutes and requires no technical expertise. Just plug in the device, download the mobile app, and the system is ready to use. The patient can easily request help by pressing a button. Notifications about the alarm is transmitted to the staff mobile phones, where a nurse can reserve the task. Nurses can also open a voice connection to the patient to ask what kind of help is needed. Efficient communication increases patient safety and reduces the nurse's workload. The voice connection also helps minimize physical contact with infection patients. 9Solutions Nurse Call Lite is easy to understand and use. The system includes a nurse call handset for the patient to call for help by pressing a button, call unit for two-way voice connection between the patient and the staff, and an easy-to-use mobile application for the staff to receive and manage alarms. 9Solutions Nurse Call Lite is a carefully designed and implemented system with a top-class usability for hospital needs. The simple plug-and-play system can be deployed in a temporary premises in less than a day. We help secure the operation of healthcare services also under critical circumstances.